Diamonds are forever. They're all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might desert me. Diamonds are forever. Hold one up and then caress it. Touch it, stroke it, and undress it. I can see every part, nothing hides in the heart to hurt me. I don't need love, for what good would love to me? Diamonds never lie to me. When love's gone, the luster gone. Diamonds are forever, sparkling round my little finger. Unlike when the diamonds linger, men are mere mortals who are not worth going to your grave for. I don't need love, for what good would love to me? Diamonds never lie to me. For when love's gone, they'll luster on. Diamonds are forever.